Ako kay speech life.
Oo, di ba?
Kaya naka-beauty class. Gwapo kaya itong kuan day, reception day. Oh, atong venue day. Oh, pinami sa mong venue. Si ma'am. Gwapo kaya. Oh my God, dagyan may tiriday.
Sa simbahan, katulog.
Lim Jr. together with his mother. A beautiful mother. Next, Mark Travis Lubaton together. Palakpakan po natin.
Continue our event for this morning, Lord. The moving up ceremony.